If you want to earn thousands of dollars by creating videos like this, then this video is exactly for you.
One morning,
Stay with
while
me till the
gathering
end,
moonberries,
because
she
in this
stumbled upon a
video, I'll
patch of
guide you
flowers.
step by step
Not just
on
any
how you can
flowers.
create amazing videos like these, completely free, using only Gemini. And make sure to watch carefully, because in the end, I'll share a powerful bonus tip that can actually double your income. So, let's get started. All right, let's jump onto my laptop screen. Here, I've already opened Gemini. If you simply search for Gemini, this is the interface you'll see. Don't worry at all if you don't have a laptop, because Gemini works perfectly fine on your mobile phone too. The best part is, it's totally free to use on both devices. Now let's start with step number 1. Go to Explore Gems. From here, select Brainstormer. This is one of the most powerful tools because here you can ask Gemini for any creative ideas. For example, simply type that you want to start a YouTube channel and ask it for ideas. But here's the most important part. Make sure to mention clearly that you want a faceless and voiceless channel. That means you don't need to show your face on camera, and you don't even need to use your own voice. This is perfect for people who want to stay anonymous but still earn money. Gemini will now give you multiple channel ideas, and honestly, you'll be amazed at how creative and unique these ideas are. You can choose whichever niche feels right for you. For example, when I tested it, I selected fairy tale stories because that's a niche people love and it has a lot of potential. But you don't have to pick the same. You can choose motivational quotes, history facts, life lessons, or even tech explainers, whatever you're passionate about. Now, once you select your niche, Gemini doesn't stop there. It will also generate a prompt for your very first video. You just need to copy that prompt, and we'll use it in the next step. So now, let's move to step number 2. Open Gemini again, but this time go to the storybook option. Here, simply paste the prompt you copied earlier, and instantly Gemini will generate a full storybook for you. And here's the cool part. Your channel or account name will actually appear on the cover of the book, which gives your content a professional and branded look. Another amazing feature here is the Listen button. You can click it, and Gemini will actually narrate the story for you in audio form. You can record that audio if you like, and later use it in your video. This saves you from voiceover costs or text-to-speech software. Once you're happy with the story, just download the storybook. Next comes step number 3. Take screenshots of each page of your storybook. These screenshots are going to become the visuals for your YouTube video. It's super simple. No need for cameras, no need for expensive editing. Just screenshots. Now let's head to the next step. Go back to Gemini, open the Tools menu, and select Video Creation. Here, upload all the screenshots one by one and give a short description of your story. Within seconds, Gemini will put everything together and create a professional-looking video for you. Just imagine, a complete video done in minutes without any filming or editing. But wait, we're still not done. There's another important step. Open a fresh Gemini chat, paste the title of your story, and ask it to generate a YouTube title, description, and tags. Instantly, it will give you SEO-friendly content that makes your video more discoverable. This is something even big creators spend a lot of time on, but Gemini does it for free in seconds. Now comes the exciting part. Once you upload your video on YouTube, these kinds of videos have the potential to get thousands, even millions, of views, because faceless content is always in demand and has a wide audience. And here's the bonus tip I promised you. Don't just stop at YouTube. The same stories you generate with Gemini can also be posted on a blog website. And because these stories are unique and copyright-free, you won't have any copyright issues. This means you're not only earning money from YouTube ads, but also from Google AdSense on your blog. With just one piece of content, you're building 2 income streams. That's smart work. So, to summarize,
one morning, while gathering moonberries, she stumbled upon a patch of flowers. Not just any flowers.
Step 1, use Brainstormer to pick your channel idea.
One morning,
Step
while
2,
gathering
use
moonberries,
Storybook to
she
create
stumbled
unique
upon a
stories.
patch of flowers.
Step 3,
Not just
take
any
screenshots
flowers.
and turn them into videos.
One morning,
Step 4, get SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags. And finally, Step 5, upload on YouTube and also repurpose the content for blogging. And that's it. That's how you can build a faceless, voiceless YouTube channel, create high-quality videos, and even run a blog for double income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my future uploads, and drop a comment below with the topic you'd like me to cover in my